It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Signs that your pet has something stuck in their nose. Dogs and cats rely on their sense of smell when observing things in the environment. Therefore, when they explore new places and environments, you will see them sniffing every corner and every object they find. Unfortunately, this normal behavior can cause your pet to accidentally inhale seemingly harmless objects that can get stuck in their nostrils and cause problems. 1. What is a nasal foreign body? An inhaled foreign body is an object that becomes lodged or stuck in any part of a dog or cat's respiratory tract. Inhaled material can become embedded in the pet's nasal passages, throat, trachea, or deeper branches of the bronchi. Normally, when a dog or cat inhales foreign material, it can be removed by either sneezing or coughing. In cases of foreign body inhalation, the inhaled material is small enough to enter the respiratory tract but is too large for the animal to sneeze. This causes the material to get stuck in the upper airways and causes a wide range of respiratory symptoms in dogs and cats. 2. Signs that your pet may have a nasal foreign body. If they cannot eliminate on their own, they will develop respiratory signs, the severity of which depends on the type and size of the material inhaled. The presence of any foreign material in the nasal passages of dogs and cats will trigger an inflammatory reaction causing signs such as excessive sneezing. They will also feel extreme discomfort and try to touch their nostrils frequently. Gagging coughing may also be observed if the object is long enough to reach the animal's larynx. In some cases, the lining of the nasal passages is damaged, causing a bloody nasal discharge in the affected pet. In severe cases where a large foreign body is involved, the nasal passages can become blocked and cause the animal to have difficulty breathing. If not removed immediately, nasal passage blockages will cause a lack of oxygenation and can even be fatal to the animal. If you see any of the signs mentioned above and it is highly likely that your pet has inhaled foreign material, a visit to the veterinarian as soon as possible is warranted. 3. How will the vet know if my pet has something stuck in his nose? Signs associated with the condition mimic common primary respiratory symptoms and infectious diseases that affect the respiratory systems of dogs and cats. Additionally, most foreign materials that pets accidentally inhale are not easily visible on most imaging tests, such as radiographs, X-rays. Most cases presenting with the symptoms mentioned above receive initial treatment for primary respiratory diseases and are given medications to control inflammation of the respiratory tract and address any possible infections that may affect the animal's respiratory system. In most cases, symptoms do not go away despite continued treatment. Only when the respiratory problem is persistent or recurrent is suspicion of possible nasal inhalation of a foreign body usually considered. More advanced imaging techniques, such as a CT scan, can help confirm whether there are abnormal structures anywhere in the animal's respiratory tract, but confirmatory diagnosis can only be achieved through rhinoscopy. Rhinoscopy is a diagnostic imaging technique that involves inserting an endoscope or rhinoscope into the animal's nasal passages and through the upper respiratory tract. Larger foreign objects can be easily visualized by rhinoscopy, but smaller ones will require careful investigation of the entire upper respiratory tract. The ideal treatment for cases of inhalation of foreign bodies in dogs and cats is the removal of the foreign material. As mentioned, medications designed for primary respiratory signs can help control the symptoms associated with the condition, but unless the foreign body is removed, the signs will most likely persist or continue to recur despite medications and the treatment. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.